let's look at how to non-destructively add details to the surface of another object without using Booleans. First, turn on snapping with these options, face project and align rotation to target. Make sure the origin of the detail object is at its bottom or even a bit lower. If that's not the case, select the bottom vertices, Shift S and set cursor to selection in Add mode. Then go to Object mode and go to Object, set origin to 3D cursor. Now the mesh snaps to the surface of the other mesh. To fix this gap between both objects, first turn off snapping. Press E to extrude the bottom vertices and then right-click to cancel the transformation. Press S to scale the new extruded vertices. Add some more loops by pressing Ctrl R and scrolling up the mouse wheel. Create a new vertex group and add a shrink wrap modifier to the detail object and then pick the surface as the target. Add the vertex group to the modifier so the object doesn't get flattened. In weight paint mode, you can use the gradient tool to add a gradient of values to the vertex group. Or you can do it manually, Ctrl left mouse button click to select the bottom loop of vertices and assign them to the vertex group with a weight of 1. Do the same for the other loops but with decreasing weight values. Either way, make sure the bottom loop of vertices has a weight of 1. Let's use a shiny matte cap and turn off random colors. Turn off outline in viewport shading as well, to better inspect the result. If it doesn't look good, make sure both objects have enough subdivisions. And make sure the shrink wrap modifier is after the subdiv modifier. By holding down Ctrl, you temporarily re-enable snapping so that you can adjust the placement of the detail. As you can see, there are still some shading differences. To make it perfect, add a data transfer modifier to the small object. As the source, pick the object that it's snapping to, and for the vertex group, use the same one as in the shrink wrap modifier. Then enable face corner data and custom normals, and set mapping to nearest face interpolated. There's currently a discount on my hard surface modeling course, so if you want to learn more hard surface modeling techniques, check out that sale. It's over 20 hours of step-by-step narrated and subtitled video about making this spider mech. So you can follow along with support from me as your teacher. So far it contains a chapter about modeling with modifiers, a chapter about retopology, about UV unwrapping, and currently I'm adding new lessons about making materials and textures. If you missed this short sale that ends on Monday, you can always have an even bigger discount by getting the complete hard surface bundle. The bundle also contains the updated course. So check all that out on 3dsecrets.com or blendersecrets.org.